Yo, Grill of Rem here, man. At work, you ever been at work and like, especially if you work in the fast food industry, culinary industry, anything with food, like you just eat everything, you've tried everything in the restaurant, you're just like bored, like what else to think and what else to do? Well, today we're gonna get creative with whatever we got in the kitchen and whatever I brought in. We're gonna get creative up at this place. Alright, so we got at least some of our vegetables, at least most part. Let's see what else we got, man. Let's see what else we got going. So far, we got the greens. We got some diced as well, shallots. And I'm just gonna have to do what I can because normally I would right now make some crazy like chili flake oil, all this stuff. And even though we could, but I'm trying to do this while I'm on the clock, while I'm working. So we're just gonna wing it out and make some gourmet ramens. Look, I bought myself some ramens to bring it over here. Yes, ramens, all right? This is a place where they do mostly Creole food, so you won't find ramen unless you're doing some voodoo pasta or something like that. But we got ourselves ramen. We're gonna transform this and make this gourmet. What we have here on the line.
I'm gonna slice them. These.
Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna take these sausages, so let them cook out just for a bit. Get this going. All right, y'all. Pop this teriyaki beef chow mein. And again, we're not sponsored by Nissin or anything like that. So yeah, we just got this one to look good. Let's open it up. Very different from the regular cup of noodles that y'all see. See, it comes with just the seasoning, I guess. Thought it would come with more stuff, but luckily we're about to hook it up. We're gonna use this to season the steak that we're gonna use, and we're gonna add a couple of the restaurant's garlic blend as well. We don't got no soy sauce, so we're gonna just make do, and we're gonna make this and transform into gourmet. Here we go.
Sure, I want to get it all like that.
With too much water. Yeah, we don't want to make soup. That's enough water to steam it up, and in there for 4 minutes in the mic. Let's go. Let this marinate for at least a couple minutes, and then we're gonna throw it in a hot skillet. Get this going. Nice and hot. A little bit of butter to test it. Some oil. We want to make sure that this is very, very hot. Now we can get a good sear on these steaks. For that way presentation looks beautiful. So here we go. You want to hear the ksh? If you don't hear that, then hey man, that's what you want to hear. That's exactly what you want to hear. We're going to get ours at least to medium. No, you can't have ramen without an egg. It's a must, man. Especially if you're an anime fan, you gotta have it. Uh-oh, I think my ramen is done. We're gonna get a little nice egg in there. We're gonna get it going. Let's try the steaks. Woo! Yeah, nice. Hey man, and this is something that you could do even at home. This is something that right now we just moved. We don't have our fridge filled. Get a couple ramens and transform it, man. There we go. They're nice and steamy. We don't got no bok choy or anything like that, so we're gonna use mixed greens that they have here in the store. We're gonna roll it up. Like if you're gonna do a little beautiful spinach, but we're not because again, green. We're is just we're just gonna char it. See this? That's what we want. Nice little ribbons. And we want to char these. And we got our egg almost done. And all we gotta do is just char it a little. We don't want to cook it or overcook it, just a little char. Yeah. Look at that nice little yolk. Let's see our steak. Look at that beauty. Come on. Come on, Lee. Oh, nice. Nice little medium rare right there. A little bit of apple cider vinegar, since we don't have any sriracha. Now, the challenge is going to be getting all of these deliciousness into this. So, we're going to mix this first, get it going. Y'all, so here we go. We got the ramen. I'm going to start plating these. A couple steaks up in here. That teriyaki steak. Remember, that's spicy. Sausage. Couple tomatoes as well. We roasted in there. We're gonna take our charred greens, right? Nice little charred greens. That's there. We're gonna take our nice little sunny side up egg. Bring this part down more. Appreciate everything else. Plating is sometimes like the most challenging part for some people. You got something in your mind, but you know, got to make sure that the space is correct. I'm gonna go with our shallots. Throw a little bit of parsley, and there you have it, guys. We just transformed ramen, bro, at the shop. Some steak. Oh, yeah. Let's go in, bro. Let's go in. Look at that. Look at that. Go in, y'all. Let's go. If you ever get bored at your restaurant, yo, buy some ramen, take what you got and make these, y'all. This is with the egg. So, I'm starving. If y'all cooks and chefs, y'all know what I mean. We always eat at the end.